Video, I'm going to teach you how to show completed tasks on ClickUp homepage. If you want a quick way to review tasks and reminders you've already finished without digging through different views, ClickUp makes that very simple from the home area. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can display your completed items right on your homepage and access them whenever you need them. To get started, open ClickUp and look over to the left sidebar. From there, click My Tasks. This takes you to the section where your personal task activity is organized, and it's the starting point for customizing what appears on your home experience. Once you're in My Tasks, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page and click Manage Cards. This menu allows you to control which cards are visible in your overview. If you've ever wanted quicker access to certain types of information, this is the area where you can add or remove those dashboard-style panels. Inside the Manage Cards menu, look for the card called My Work. When you find it, click Add to Overview. This step places the My Work card onto your page so you can use it to monitor different categories of your personal work activity. If it wasn't visible before, adding it here is what makes the next steps possible. After that, close the menu and return to the main page. Now locate the My Work card in your overview. Depending on your layout, it may appear among other cards on the page, so take a moment to scan the screen until you see it. When you found the My Work card, go to the upper left corner of that card and click the Done tab. This tab switches the card's view so it shows items you've already completed instead of active work. It's a useful way to confirm what's been finished, review your progress, or quickly reference recently completed tasks. As soon as you open the Done tab, your completed tasks and reminders will appear in the card. From there, you can review finished items directly from your ClickUp home area without needing to search manually through task lists or other workspaces. This is especially helpful if you want a cleaner overview of your productivity or need a fast way to double-check completed work during your day. And that's it. You now know how to show completed tasks on ClickUp homepage. Thanks for watching.